14-year-old girl suspected to have committed suicide in McCook's pen. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 14-year-old girl is suspected to have committed suicide at her home in McCook's Pen, St. Catherine on Friday afternoon. The deceased has been identified as Rena Campbell, a student of Innswood High School in St. Catherine. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News are that the teenager was found by a family member hanging from the ceiling of her bedroom about 1 p.m. An alarm was raised and the police were alerted to the area. The body was removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. Family members and relatives are said to be shaken by the incident as Rana was described as a quiet child. The investigation continues by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.